So, I just woke up, so I sound crazy. But I'm gonna show y'all a trick with a fruit roll-up. Because when you freeze it, it gets all hard and crunchy like candy. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. 1 second. I'm gonna take it. So the fruit roll-up been in the fridge for like 10 minutes or so. So I'm gonna take it out. And we're gonna see it crunch. See, this is it right here. I'm gonna do a good crunch for it. Right here. That's something in my throat. Okay. Every time I eat it like that, it's so good. So good. Very crunchy.